Green's technical creators. This is a robot. Apparently, when I was trying to record the tutorial, it actually corrupted again, because each time because it did it again when I was doing the Star Wars Yoda's Hutt, you know what I mean? Apparently it corrupted all the tutorial I worked on, so yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, I wish I could show you guys again, but I'm like, I don't know. Well, I am hungry. I'll eat later, so but anyway, I'll show you guys this. I built this. This is the Puppycorn's Trike or tricycle. It has basketball wheels right here. Yeah, and it spins. It has baseball wheels here. Alright, and here's Puppycorn. This is Unikitty's brother right here. Yeah, Prince of Unikingdom. And here's the alligator with the two wheels on him. And it actually moves right here. Yeah. Here's some stuff right here. It has an orange soccer ball. Well, it's supposed to be like a basketball. And here's two food. And here's there's ice cream and pizza in the crates. Great crates. Right. Right, and here's this, whatever, I don't know what they call it, but leave comments below of what you think this is. Because, well, yeah, got a thing for more. I don't know. It just popped out on my screen. Or it just popped into my screen, and here's the skateboard. It looks like Bart Simpson's skateboard. Yeah. Well, because the way colors look like. And I wish I had that Lego Simpsons house. And because it has a cool car. Yeah. So this is Puppycorn. And he has a tail, a different tail. And there's I thought his red hooves or paws were orange and brown, but they're red. Yeah, all red. Yeah, it makes me think of Doctor Who, you know, the 10th Doctor. I'm trying to say 10th. You know, there's the red sneakers. Yeah. So put him back here. Watch him. Oh yeah, this is cool. I like this type of ride. The best trike ever. Oh right, yeah. It's cool. It spins, and then time to shoot the water guns. Time to reload. Do I sound good with Puppycorn? Let me know what you think. Leave comment below if I sound good with Puppycorn. Yeah. In the episode, it sounded like, I don't know, could be the actor who played Spike or something, or I think I don't know. Or maybe it probably be the person who played Lloyd Garmadon, the young version one. But yeah. Time to shoot the water guns again! Oh yeah! Bullseye! Yeah, I'm using my hand so that way I won't shoot all the way. So I use my hand to block the range. So that way I won't lose the studs or I end up finding it during this video. Oh boy, can't believe if it happened again. Like it stopped the video and actually corrupted. So I can't even show that. I wish there's something I can do. I don't know. Alright. Well, okay. And I'm going to show you my Unikitty cloud car, and here we are. Oh, wait, I saw the screen, and there we are. Try that again. Hey, look, here's my sister. Yeah, like both racing each other. Yeah, so now Unikitty and Puppycorn can race each other someday. So yeah. Yeah, these are cool. I thought Puppycorn's tricycle looks looks longer than I thought. But the way it looks, see that? Yeah. But it's actually, well, cool. Yeah, there's a bone. I think this is for the handle. The handlebar. Oh, yeah. Boy, he also has a flagpole, just like Unikitty's. It's pretty cool. So now he gets to race around with his friends, even Unikitty. Alright, let me try something. Oh hey, let me try. Oh hey, sister, you look different than I remember you. You got like some white eyes and... Wait a minute. Wait. Hey. That's my... sorry. That's my real sister. Wait, if you're the real sister, then... Who's this one? Right. Wait, you got a boyfriend? Wait, I didn't know you had a boyfriend. Wow, you're actually just like me, almost. But different. Right. Oh, come on. Well, yeah. Boy. Oh gosh, trying to... Oh boy, I wonder what my friends will think if you guys are getting together. Right. Well, his head does turn, just like Unikitty's right here. Just like Unikitty. Sorry about that. Trying to... Just like Unikitty's head too. There we go. Oh hey, Unikitty. I've been looking for you, and what the? Hey, you look different than I remember. Wait, who is this guy? Or who is this? Wait, I didn't know you had a brother. I've been trying. Yeah, this is where. Hold on. Wait a minute. Hold on. Oh gosh, trying to. Wait a minute. If you guys are the real one, then who are those guys? Yeah, I put those right there. Alright. Wait, this looks weird. I mean, you two are getting together, and that over there, you look way different than I thought. And I didn't know you had a brother before. Where's your brother? Boy, this is getting weird. And wait, who's this? Oh boy, that looks... Okay, that looks terrifying. And what the? And who is that? And what are you supposed to be? Okay, this is where it stopped my recording. So yeah. Oh no. This doesn't look... Oh boy, this can't be... Am I dreaming? Oh boy. Wait, Lucy and my friends will tell if I'm not dreaming. Alright. Well, wait, can you guys hear me? I don't know. Oh boy, this is a nightmare. I gotta get out of here. Alright. Well, it was pretty neat. That was great. That I sound like... Do I sound like Puppycorn almost? Because I bet this voice will be great. Well, pretty much it would be cool. Or probably cool. But yeah, it's pretty cool that... I think I do sound like better. Yeah, I think I sound good with Puppycorn. Pretty good. Hey sis, you wanna try? Oh wait, you can't because your tail is actually in the way. Hey, but I bet I can ride yours. Uh-oh, but even though I go back and forth, oh no! Oh, let me out! Oh boy. Oh darn. I think, how do I control this? Oh wait, there I go. Now I got it. Woohoo! Oh. This is so cool! Yeah, check it out! Alright, well, that does that. Oh boy. Alright, well. So that concludes the set. I'm sorry that I didn't get to show you guys. Hang on. Hold on, you kitty's gotta fly. See ya, sister. Here, race me sometimes, and then we'll have more fun. Alright, you kitty's flying away. Hey, back to our home. Right, sorry if I didn't get you guys the tutorial. Oh boy. That was the second time that happened. But I'm glad I got to show you guys this. Boy, I wanted to try again, but I don't know. Because I already built these. So yeah. So anyway. So leave a comment below what you think. Or yeah. Because yeah. Probably eat soon. Because yeah. This is recorded. Oh yeah, my battery's almost running low. Well, my battery's running low. So if you guys enjoyed this, well, if you like this, please locate the like button. Just click on it. And if you want more videos on my channel, be sure to subscribe for this video. And until then, I'll see you guys next time. Over and out, yo, yeah!